How to set up your payment details with TegasFX to start earning in the Forex market. TegasFX is a trusted Forex broker where you can trade or earn through their partner program. To deposit and start earning with TegasFX, your payment details need to be set up first. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. On the TegasFX homepage, click Funds. Step 2. Select Payment Details. Step 3. Choose your network, in this case Tether TRC-20. Always pick the correct network. Step 4. Open your Binance app or another exchange and go to your USDT TRC-20 wallet. Step 5. Click Assets, then Add Funds, then On-Chain Deposit. Step 6. Search for USDT and select TRC-20. Step 7. Copy the wallet address provided by Binance. Step 8. Back in TegasFX, paste this address under Wallet Address and click Submit. Step 9. Your wallet address is now approved and saved. You can remove it later if needed by clicking Remove. Important note: trading in the Forex market involves risk. Always invest responsibly and only deposit what you can afford to lose. For more tutorials and opportunities, follow Wealth Builder Global Community.